It starts with scattered radio chatter, nothing unusual at first, but within moments, officers begin coordinating positions, tracking movement, and tightening the net around a suspect who clearly doesn't want to stop. What begins as routine communication is about to spiral into a tense pursuit that will push both officer instincts and suspect decisions to the edge.
Oh, I'm gonna get rid of radio. I'm 1080 with motorcycle, county line.
Uniform tonight is badge number. 4157.
Go ahead, Alden.
Yeah, 43rd. Which direction are you headed?
Still north,
Yeah, 4157.
At this point, officers are clearly coordinating movement and tracking the suspect's path. When radio traffic tightens like this, it usually means the situation is evolving quickly. One wrong move could allow the suspect to disappear, or worse, create a dangerous confrontation. Would you keep pushing the pursuit here, or slow things down?
Going through a yard, at least trying to get back to Popular.
4157.
We're going to be east of Popular.
4157, east on Popular.
Get on the ground! I will fucking shoot you! Get on the ground! I will shoot you!
And here the chase hits a breaking point. The suspect bails out and runs. Foot pursuits are some of the most unpredictable moments officers face. There's limited visibility, unknown threats, and seconds to react. The commands come fast, the taser is deployed, and officers are trying to regain control before the situation turns violent.
Hold on your stomach! Hold on your stomach! Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Taser deployed, taser deployed.
Taser deployed.
Do not move, you're going to get hit again. You understand me?
4157, taser deployed.
Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Stand up. I can't. Don't.
Once the taser lands and officers close the distance, the focus shifts from pursuit to control. Clear commands, steady pressure, and constant communication keep the suspect from trying to run again. These moments are critical. Adrenaline is high, but officers still have to keep everything controlled and professional.
Stand up. Don't you want to run for me? You want to get off on foot and run? Stand up. Home here. Damn. Get up.
A chaotic pursuit that ends with a quick foot chase and a decisive takedown. Officers relied on coordination, clear commands, and a well-timed taser deployment to stop the suspect before things escalated further. If you enjoy real pursuit breakdowns like this, hit like, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real-world chase analysis.
I still have this attached. If you try to make one more move,
Ain't no moves, man. You got me handcuffed, dude. I'm done.
I will tase you again. You understand me?
Yes. I ain't even behind you till you come up
No,
beside me.
you didn't. You knew I was behind you the entire time.
Not until you come up beside me. I
I don't want to hear it.
I ain't got one mirror. I can't even see you.
Yeah, you can.
Fuck. Yeah.
Wrong day to run, buddy.
I was on my way to goddamn class.
Well, you ain't going to class now.
Been 157, 1040.
Fuck.
I'm 10-4.
I'm 10-4.
Can't believe you make a phone call.
Nope.
My phone's in.
Nope. You ain't doing nothing.
You gotta let somebody know, man.
No, you ain't. Yeah, you will from the jail. How you doing, sir? Sorry about your fence.
I am sorry about the fence.
You can take care of it, dude.
I will. Once I get out, I'll fix it. I do apologize,
You run
sir.
in the wrong yard.
I'm sorry. I am so sorry, sir.
I won't get all your information in just a minute, okay?
Sir, I am sorry.
Get your ass over for it, yeah.
They don't.
Spread your feet.
That's it.
You gonna do it some more?
I can. The damn CC jeans, don't you?
Well, wear some looser jeans.
Goddamn, do you? All right, man. You got me. You gotta keep on.
Can you stand right here with him for a second? Appreciate it. Oh.